Hello and welcome. I'm Jess Campmans, guided by Equus, and this is your Horse Wisdom Insights for the week of December 21st. Just kind of taking a break and a breath. That today is both the shortest day of the year here in the Northern Hemisphere and the planetary alignment of what's called the Grand Conjunction. And if you are following these videos, you are possibly familiar with them, and creating space kind of for something new, for what is new to come in. And there's been lots that has kind of been coming into my own space of awareness with these horses. And this week really feels like, not only is it the week of Christmas, but it's a week of, this morning I kind of got the image or the idea of lighting our inner candle. And what does that mean? It means to, in this space of the dark, to almost, it's like we're reimagining or reinventing ourselves from the inside out. And so if you just kind of close your eyes and get an image of what that might look like or what that might feel like by relighting your own inner flame, what is it that it is, what is it that you see in that the light of that flame provides? What is it that that spark kind of lights up within you this week? And to just drop into a sense of gratitude for all of this. And it's actually starting to snow here this morning. We're at the start of what might be kind of a winter snowstorm. And we've been living in a very kind of fall-like beautiful state with a lot of Chinook wind, and yet the snow is finally coming. So it's like it's bringing Christmas to us here. And almost the clean, clear white snow and the sound it makes, which is just kind of the muffled sound of silence. It's if you've never gotten to experience the sound of a snowfall, it's just quiet, but there's this, I don't know, it's something so intangible to explain, and yet if you get to have the experience of it, it's just kind of a very etheric type quality of sound, if that makes sense. And almost so the idea of reverence this week too, reverence around this inner spark. And all of these babies are really wanting to be part of this video. And so that sense of both being in gratitude and reverence for what is and what is to come, and wrapping your arms around all of your experiences that are having you find a way to reignite that spark within you. So much love from myself and Bo and Magic and Raven and Mahina and all of the rest of the herd here. Merry Christmas from myself and the herd this week, and I look forward to just being able to drop into this experience this week, and I'd really invite you to do the same. Hopefully I can bring some more videos through this week, and if you aren't following along yet, I'm sharing the 12 days of Christmas through the gifts of Horse Wisdom, and if you subscribe on YouTube to my channel, Jess Campmans Guided by Equus, you can watch all, today is day 8, watch all 8 videos and stay tuned for days 9 to 12 coming up. So much love from myself and all of these guys here.